Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, I'm present with another latest update of Bittorrent token. But you know what? This video is going to be very interesting about Bittorrent token because, my friends, in this video we are going to discuss the future of Bittorrent token as BTT token will make you millionaire. Is Bittorrent will give you a profit in the future or not, or loss? We are going to discuss. Just watch and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about cryptocurrencies market. So first of all, my friends, you know what? First of all, I really want to congratulate all Bittorrent token holders because now in this time, the latest change of Bittorrent token is going good. That's why I really want to congratulate all BTT token holders. So congrats. And furthermore, my friends, if we look the currently price of the Bittorrent token, so the price is low 0.0026361 USD dollar. That's the current price of the BTT token. So the price at this time is low, and you know what, I really recommend for all of you to please invest in a Bittorrent token because now the currently price of the BTT is low. You can see here currently price is low. That's why I recommend for everyone to please invest in a Bittorrent token. And other side, my friends, the price change in the BTT token is positive. So the price is going to increase day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. So if the price is going to increase, so that's how you can make a profit with the BTT token. Buy more and more Bittorrent token and make a good amount of profit with the BTT token. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about BTT? Please tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for updates and news videos, my friends. And last, let me show you the price chart of the BTT token. My friends, you can see here, my friends, now in the last time the price of BTT start upward, but that's not a quick jump, that's gradually. My friends, the gradually changes of BTT token is going good. That's why I recommend for everyone to please invest more and more in a BTT token because the price of the BTT token is very low and the profit is good. Thanks for watching this video, and personally I have no doubt that they will make you millionaire. Absolutely, they will make you millionaire if you invest for a long term.